Hi, in this tutorial, I will show you how to connect your Telegram account with BitSocial. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Account section. Then click on the Connect Account button. Here, you will see that different types of social media platforms are available. Then select Telegram. Now, click on the Login button under Telegram. To connect your Telegram account with BitSocial, you will need to provide your Telegram bot token in the bot token field. To get your bot token, first, you will need to create a bot on Telegram. Now I will show you how to create a bot on Telegram. Step 1. Create your Telegram bot. Open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop device. Search for @BotFather. And start a chat by clicking the Start button. Send the command /newbot. Choose a name for your bot, for example, BitSocialBot123. Next, set a unique username that ends with bot, such as BitSocialBot123_bot. BotFather will reply with your bot token. Copy and save it securely, because this token will be used to connect your bot with BitSocial. Step 2. Create a new group in Telegram. On desktop device, click on this icon in Telegram and select the New Group option. Search for your bot's username, for example, @BitSocialBot123, and add it to the group. Next, enter a name for your group, and click on the arrow icon to proceed. Step 3. Promote your bot to the group admin. Open your newly created group. Tap on the group name at the top to open the settings. Then click on the Add Members icon. Next, search for your bot's username again, and add it to the group. Once you've completed these steps, return to the @BotFather settings. Now, copy the bot token, then navigate to the Telegram account section, and paste it into the bot token field. Then click on the Connect Telegram button. Your Telegram account will be displayed in the pop-up. Next, click on the Save button. You will now see your Telegram account successfully connected in the BitSocial account section. Now you can easily use the WP Auto Post, WP Post Schedules, and Share Now feature for your WordPress posts. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.